Hello. Yes, and I will show you how to code the control panel to the siren. So first, um, let's well, okay. Then turn on the siren. Press on. You will see that the light is flash, and then press the code button for one time. One time is for the control panel. One time. Okay, you will see 2 beeps, and then trigger the alarm. Okay, the sound. Okay, you will hear the 3 DDD. That means it successfully the control panel has coded with the siren. Let me try. Okay, now. Oh, time out. Let me try again. Okay, so please make sure the steps. First, turn on, and then press the code button for one time, and then you will hear 2 beeps, and the flashlight flash for 2 times, and then trigger alarm, and the disarm. Then the panel will successfully coded with the siren, and after successfully, the flashlight will 3 times flash 3 times and beep 3 times. Okay.